Hi everyone, we have here a kit car. The client wants to freshen up, especially his Reupholster. So this is the previous leather. As you can see, many is defect already. Chair, door sidings, the grill back, the back and the headrest and the trim. All of this one, we're going to replace it with a genuine leather. Stay tuned here at PRS. We'll show you before and after we reupholster. Hi everyone. This is the final result of our reupholster on this kit car. We are using genuine leather on the door panels, the seats, as you can see, the backboard, the headrest, the trim, and also the engine compartment. Every details matters, as you can see how we reupholster, wrap it. It's like original. Came from the factory on those luxury cars. And this is also waterproof. As you can see, there's no roof. So this is a rain or shine. So this kind of leather is easy to maintain and clean. We do all types of vehicle on dashboard also. If you're interested with our services here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS CAR ACCESSORIES and Services. See you here, everyone. Bye!